Today I will demo or presentation about the booking system using WhatsApp API and developer meta. Okay, for the beginning we can start menu. Can start here and then we can click, for example, location map, and here the maps, and then we can see that after click the location map. If we want to visit exactly, we can click here and then we can directly using the Google Maps. And after this, we will click main menu. And after main menu, we can click book an appointment. Okay, and we can choose that service, for example, other special service. And then we can choose the department, ENT. And here our doctor available in special sessions, ENT. Please select the preferred doctor you wish to consult. We choose the Dr. Said Alien, and we can choose the date, and we can choose that time available, and then we can choose the patient name, and we tap the date of birth, and okay, this is like our appointment booking, and here our detail, and then we can click main menu again, and we can, for example, we can change the or modify the appointment. We can click the modify appointment, and exactly we can check here. We can check in our system. Okay, here our booking, and then we can back to here. We want to change this one. Okay, right now that is Dr. Said Alian, yeah, and then the patient like this, and then we can change the booking item or booking details. We click yes, and then we click again here. Okay, now the detail will be like this. Ibrahim, and then here, and then we can check here. We can see that The before is Dr. Said Alian, and then the booking date is 16 May. We can load again. Okay, we can see that this one has been changed to Dr. Hanan, and then the booking date 19 May. And also we can choose the cancel appointment. Yes. Okay. Exactly, the appointment has been cancelled. Okay, that's all for the booking progress system until today. Thank you.